Hey everyone, I'm Peter from The Golden Gato, and today you are going to learn exactly how you can start making money online, and all you have to do is refer people to a free program, okay? So this is called pay-per-lead affiliate marketing. It's an extremely effective way to make money online because it requires that no one spend any money anywhere. So it's a very easy, very simple system. Very excited to bring you guys this today. Quickly before we get into that, everyone, if you've ever wanted to start your own highly successful YouTube channel, make sure to go ahead and click the first link you see in the description, or just go to www.marketwe.com. If you want 100,000 subscribers, if you want 10,000 subscribers, it doesn't matter what your goal is, MarketWe will help you accomplish that goal. So go ahead and click the first link in the description. Now let's move on to the main part of this video. So again, quickly just to clarify exactly what pay-per-lead affiliate marketing is and how you can start making money today with pay-per-lead affiliate marketing. Let me just bring up Google here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and type pay-per-lead affiliate marketing. And then I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get started doing pay-per-lead affiliate marketing today. So as you can see here, it talks about, just on this Google search result, it says successful affiliate marketers who earn 4, 5, and 6 figures monthly rely on commissions, right? So if you want to earn 4, 5, or 6 figures monthly, you're going to have to rely on commissions, but commissions require that people buy something. However, it says here, money can be made elsewhere and with more ease through pay-per-lead affiliate programs. A pay-per-lead program is also known as cost per acquisition, which is CPA. Some of you guys might be more familiar with that term, and pay per action, which is PPA. So anyway, it's a very easy way that you can start making money. So if you want to make 4, 5, or 6 figures, if you have interest in starting your own business online, where you can just wake up and you can start your business and you don't have to go to work and you don't have to go to a crappy job, I would recommend that you look into this very seriously, because you can. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you will make money with this because I don't know who you are, I don't know your circumstances or your work ethic, but you can make money with this, and lots of people do. So let's just go ahead and get into the main content portion of this video, where I'm showing you exactly how you can start doing this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in Creative Live, okay? So Creative Live is a company, as you can see here. It says Creative Live is an online education platform that broadcasts live classes to an international audience. The company has dual headquarters in Seattle and San Francisco, blah, blah, blah. That's not super important, okay? What's important here is to show you exactly how you can make money with Creative Live using pay-per-lead affiliate marketing. So let's just go ahead and click on this first link here, and I'll put this link in the description below so you can really easily access it here. And as you can see, it talks about how it has best-selling classes that are released all the time. Now, the thing about Creative Live is that some of the classes they offer, some of the programs, are free, and some of them are paid programs, which means that if you sign up for Creative Live by clicking this right here, this little blue button, I hope you can see my mouse here, you don't have to pay to start on Creative Live, but you can pay, and that's the most important part. So as we scroll down here, it says they have a bunch of best-selling classes like photo and video, money and life, art and design. A lot of interesting things you could, in fact, look into yourself if you are interested in Creative Live, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you exactly how you can make money with pay-per-lead advertising and affiliate marketing, and that's what I'm going to show you. So just as a quick introduction, though, so you can see exactly what you're dealing with here, it says they have a bunch of popular classes here you can check out. Endless inspiration. It's a great website, as you can see, right? It's a classy, high quality website, which is actually a good thing for you to understand, because think about it this way, okay? If you are running your own business and you are doing affiliate marketing, you want to make sure that the business you're working with is high quality and reputable and good, right? So this is always nice to see a good looking website with high quality design and all that. Anyway, as you can see, you can watch on-air classes, etc. But the most important part of creativelive.com, and this is the part where you make money by doing affiliate marketing, pay-per-lead affiliate marketing, is at the bottom of Creative Live's first page, okay? So if we scroll all the way to the bottom here, you can see this little button here that says join us. Do you see it? So you see join us, and at the bottom it says refer a friend, get $15. Now that's typically what people click on when they think they're going to be an affiliate for this, but you don't want to do that. You want to go to actually become an affiliate. So go ahead and click become an affiliate on the join us page, and this is going to take you to the page where they will show you exactly how you can start being a pay-per-lead affiliate marketer for their program. Now, the great thing about pay-per-lead, again, as I said before, is that it doesn't require you to promote something that costs something. All that it requires is for you to promote a free signup. So it's a lot easier to promote because people are way less willing to spend their money on stuff than they are to just enter their email and log in and sign up for something. So the affiliate program, it's again creativelive.com, and you just go to the bottom and then you're going to find it all there. And all you have to do is press sign up. But just to show you guys a little bit how powerful this is and how you can start making a ton of money with this. Look at this, all right? So you get 20% revenue share for new customer sales. So if there's a new customer and that customer spends $100, you're going to make $20. That's $20 going in your pocket. Now let's look at this 10% revenue share for return customer sales. So let's say that you refer someone who gets a free account on Creative Live and starts spending $100 per year on average on Creative Live. So for that first sale, you're going to make $20. But for every sale after that first sale, you're going to make $10 every single time. That's again, $10 more in your pocket every single time. But here is the pay-per-lead part of this, because if you'll notice, these say 20% revenue share for new customer sales, and you will also notice that it says 10% or 20% and 10% revenue share for return customer sales. So this requires revenue. So that's not pay-per-lead, but this is pay-per-lead. $1 for every new registration sign-up. Now registering is free, so you get $1 every time you refer someone to this. So it's a very, very easy thing to do. Plus, you get $10 for each referred affiliate. So if you can show someone else how to refer people with pay-per-lead, you can make $10 with that. Now, a lot of people in this video are going to suspect that I'm trying to make money myself by getting all of you to be a $10 referred affiliate. That'd be a great marketing scheme for me, but I'm not doing that. I'm not going to give you any referral codes. This video is not making me any money personally. I'm just showing you an awesome method for making money yourself. This is all about you. This has nothing to do with me. So I'm not going to give you any affiliate links that'll help me out. I'm not going to give you any referral codes, nothing like that. This is all about you. I know I didn't have to say that, and I know I probably could have put that link in the description and people would have been fine with it, but I just wanted to make sure there was no conflict of interest whatsoever. So let's move on here. As you can see, you're making a bunch of money by referring people, and what you're also going to do is, it says, our affiliate partners serve an audience looking for creative education and the ability to learn a living from their craft. Ideal sites focus on online education, photography, blah, 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 right? So you are referring people to take classes. But the great thing about this, as I said before, is that a lot of those classes are actually free. So you don't have to refer someone to an expensive product that they're not going to buy, and that means you're not going to make money, right? You're going to make money because you're going to recognize that all you have to do is you have to refer people to a free program. And that's the great thing about pay-per-lead affiliate marketing. So as I said before, this is the creativelive.com website. Very simple to get to. It's completely free to sign up to as an affiliate. And then you, again, if we can go back to the main page here really quickly, if it'll actually load. Let's see if it loads. Oh yeah, I got to the main page. So again, you just scroll all the way down to the bottom and you go under Join Us and then do Become an Affiliate. Sign up to be an affiliate. It's completely free. I'm not making any money from this suggestion again, so just in case that was, a nagging thought in the back of your head. And yeah, it's sign up for free. It's really easy and you can start making money. Now you might be asking, how can I refer people to a free program? Well, that's an important question, and I think it's one that everyone should consider. So it's a good question. You asked a good question. What you want to be doing is you want to be building networks. So I'm talking about Facebook networks, Instagram networks. You want to be developing your own networks, and you want to make sure that they are as large as possible. Start a YouTube channel. You can use MarketWe if you want to start a YouTube channel. It's a great program for doing so. Again, link in the description. You can start a YouTube channel. You can start an Instagram page. You can start a Facebook page. You can start anything you want as long as it's a large network where you're connecting with average, everyday people who have the same interests as you. And so if they have the same interests as you, you can refer them to sites like this. So, go on Instagram, and I actually have a bunch of videos on the Golden Gato YouTube channel telling you exactly how to start your own highly successful Instagram account. So if you just want to click on the Golden Gato YouTube channel homepage, you'll find Instagram videos showing you how to get, hundreds, thousands of followers very quickly. And once you develop those networks, you can then promote these kind of pay-per-lead, free affiliate marketing websites to those people, and you can start making more money. So it's a perfect business model. Basically, it is the modern business model because people don't want to spend money online. So you got to go to free stuff where you get money later, right? That's the whole point of pay-per-lead. People sign up now, and then you get money later, especially when they make money through the revenue that they actually spend later on. Plus, you get that first dollar, as it says here, for every new registration sign up. So go ahead and go to creativelive.com, sign up, and remember, as always, audience is the new currency. That's a very important phrase to remember for 2018 and beyond. You want to remember this phrase. Audience is the new currency. Thank you all for watching very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and check out Creative Live if it sounds like something you want to check out. See you guys.